If you're working a full-time job, you might be feeling some FOMO, especially because you see all these people online supposedly building profitable side hustles using Claude and AI.
There's a small brand out there posting the same ad over and over, hoping it works.
Primarily mean running ads for Facebook and Instagram. So the opportunity is that there's a ton of brands right now that are running ads, but they can't really scale because they need to generate hundreds or even thousands of ads and do a lot of ad spend. And their team just doesn't have the capacity to make all of these ads at that level.
Their bigger competitor is testing hundreds. That's the whole gap. Somebody just has to be the person who fills it.
And this is where you come in. You can use tools like Claude and Higgsfield, which I'll show you in a second, to generate these ads pretty easily. So how does AI do the work? Well, you use Claude for the ideas, the hooks, the angles, and you use Higgsfield.
But this one asks you to learn ads first, and there's an easier door to walk through.
So instead of helping companies reach out to people, you're only working with creator-led founders who create content. And essentially, these creator-led founders want to either sell in the DMs or book a call via DM. So this works really well for LinkedIn, X, and Instagram.
The hard part is done. The audience showed up on their own. All that's missing is a person willing to reply.
So when they create content, all you got to do is find the people that follow them, find the people that engage with their content, find the people that view their profile and send them a message and get them on a call. So you can use AI to do the DM setting, but unless you're going to spend a lot of money on the AI.
It sounds too simple, which usually means the catch is somewhere else.
So what's happening is every other creator is looking at this and they want to start a second channel too. So the opportunity for you is you want to use Claude. You just like scan all this, archive of videos that they have of the transcripts, find the best parts, use AI to cut it and post it for them. That entails the thumbnail, title, choosing the clip, but that's pretty much it, right?
It's sitting there doing nothing. Somebody could open it, pull the good parts out and give it a second life.
How would you get your first client? You would find YouTubers who have good long form content and you're just like, hey dude, I'll start your second channel for you. You don't have to do a thing. I'll take care of the whole.
The strange thing is how few people have offered to do it.
Time, especially the successful ones. So they need someone to write content in their voice, whether it's on X, LinkedIn, email, Twitter, wherever there's copywriting. AI does a lot of the work in this scenario because basically if you get the founder's voice, maybe you get all their YouTube videos or you get their interviews, right?
So they say nothing. Their ideas just sit in their head. That's a real problem someone can quietly solve.
And then you can train your Claude, your AI, to write in their voice and clone their style. And then it can maybe get like 60, 70% there. And then you want to put that human touch to get it all the way 100% there, right?
The tricky part is sounding like them, not like a robot.
So what is this? Pretty much brands right now, they want to rank on Google, right? You type in Google, like my back hurts, and then they want their website to pop at the top.
Quick pause here. If what I'm sharing is making sense and you're thinking, okay, but how does this actually work in a real system? I've put together a free training that walks through the exact structure and process we use. It's not theory, it's a behind the scenes walkthrough of how the system is set up, how the pieces fit together, and how most of the heavy lifting is already handled so you're not starting from zero. If you want to see how it's structured and decide for yourself if it's a good fit, the link is in the description. All right, let's jump back in.
So if you basically do their SEO for them, like traditional SEO on Yahoo, Google, Bing, whatever, people actually pay money for that and you can use AI to do all the work.
Their website was built for a world that's changing. Being early here is worth more than being good later.
Now, the other new opportunity is GEO or AEO, depending on what you want to call it, but essentially it's just ranking on platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini.
Being early only helps if you know where to look first.
It's going to be email monetization and retention. So a lot of brands out there, they're collecting a lot of emails. Maybe it's organic content to email, maybe it's running ads, and they're making money. The problem is that they might have these really big lists, but they're not really activating it.
Those people are still there, waiting. Nobody has written to them in months. That's a quiet opportunity hiding in plain sight.
Right? They might have a list of like 30,000 people, but they're not sending emails regularly. Or when somebody adds an item to the cart, there's no like abandoned cart, automation that says like, hey man, I saw you put this in your cart. How come you didn't check out?
So why does almost everyone skip past this one?
Small. You might think there's a lot of YouTubers creating Claude content, but there's really only like less than 15 relevant ones in my opinion. So, you might as well break into the space. And if you build an audience now, it's an asset that you will have for the years to come.
This one is different. It's slower and scarier. but it builds something that keeps working long after you stop.
So how does AI make this easier? Well, you want to use Claude to write your scripts, repurpose your content, post in different places. You want to use tools like Higgsfield, like I was showing you, to do the thumbnails, maybe some B-roll, some motion graphics, because it's more than easier now with AI to
6 quiet doors, 1 loud one, and only you know which one fits. Now, everything I just showed you works, but it's honestly only one piece of the puzzle. If you want to see how the whole system fits together, step by step, I put together a free training that walks you through the entire thing. No fluff, no weird sales pitch, just the full process. The same way I'd explain it if we were sitting across the table. It's the first link in the description. If this video was helpful, that training will probably be 10 times more helpful. And if you're not there yet, no problem. Just keep watching, keep learning, and it'll be there when you're ready. All right. See you in the next one.